Crypto and digital currency investing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about one of the hottest topics in the world of finance, crypto and digital currency investing. Crypto has been around for a few years now, but it's only in recent times that it's become a mainstream investment option. Digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin have become household names, and their prices have skyrocketed, making early investors millionaires. But what exactly is crypto, and why should you consider investing in it? Crypto is a digital currency that uses encryption techniques to secure and verify transactions and control the creation of new units. Unlike traditional currencies, crypto is decentralized, which means it's not controlled by any government or financial institution. This makes it immune to inflation and manipulation by central authorities. Now, investing in crypto can be risky, and it's not for everyone. But if you're willing to take some risks, it can also be incredibly rewarding. Here are some of the reasons why you might want to consider investing in crypto. Firstly, crypto is a hedge against inflation. With the current state of the global economy, many investors are worried about inflation and the decreasing value of traditional currencies. Crypto, on the other hand, is designed to be deflationary, which means that its value will likely increase over time. Secondly, crypto is highly liquid. Unlike other investments like real estate or stocks, crypto can be bought and sold quickly and easily. This means that you can cash out your investment whenever you need to. Thirdly, crypto is highly volatile. While this may sound like a disadvantage, it also means that there's a lot of money to be made in the short term. If you can time your investments correctly, you can make significant gains in a matter of days or weeks. So there you have it, our take on crypto and digital currency investing. As always, make sure to do your own research before making any investment decisions. Crypto is a complex and constantly evolving market, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and news. But if you're willing to take some risks, investing in crypto could be a game changer for your portfolio. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.